this is how the wheelchair's pretty much turned out in the end. I dropped the front end a few inches, and I've fitted checker plate on it, and I've basically drawn around one of my shoes, size 12 shoe, not likely to be anything any bigger than that, sat in there, and I've welded this checker plate around the edge, done that on the two sides. I've had to put this brace bar on here to basically stop the handlebars from moving backwards and forwards, obviously. And from the original video, this swivel point used to be up here, and this mounting point for sort of like a footrest or something, that used to be down here. So I swapped them round, and I've come up with a system where I could now disconnect that link bar there, the brace, and then undo that screw there, and this will actually swivel over and fold in onto across the battery area, so you can actually fold it up and put it in a car, not too hard. So what I'm thinking is I probably need to change something around here, maybe put some sort of bolt with a wing fixing wing head on top there and a wing nut on that side, so that it can be taken out very easily. That's the sort of quickest option. I need to change these bolts here and put shorter bolts in with nylock nuts on so they don't come loose. I've changed the plastic sides which were in there and broken to aluminium ones and painted them black. This is the original pair lying on the floor down here. You can see the wheel had been rubbing on them at various points and the ends had snapped off, and they didn't give good protection to the person sitting in the chair. They weren't tall enough. So by doing what I've done, it's given better protection. You can still get your hand in under the handrail here, and you can still operate these sides so that you can get in and out with the side raised. Both sides raise up if you want them to. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So need to give you another little demonstration of it running. It's pretty much along the lines of being finished now. I just need to put a few pop rivets to hold the checker plate down onto the frame. Maybe clean it up here and there, and it could do with a cushion putting in the seat. If you want, you can still back it the handbrake on. There we go. You can still back it up like that. And you can push it around like that if you want to. So if you get stuck, you can still move it down the handbrake or the handwheel. Put the power on. Trikes are not the most stable thing, but you can drive them slow if you want to. So I don't want to. brake on. So what do you think of it then, Cinnamon? Meow? Yeah?